Welcome to the Sensor Preferences tutorial for OnInOff. In this guide, we'll show you how to adjust your sensor settings after the initial setup. These preferences let you customize key parameters such as calibration, resolution, and object detection to make your system more efficient and tailored to your needs. Let's dive into the details so you can optimize your setup. Before preference settings, let's check out the views you can configure. In the simplified view, green dots appear as objects that the sensor is currently detecting on your canvas. The detection mode shows what the sensors are picking up as white noise. The spaces that are circled with the blue line are what it's considering as objects of interest. RGB shows you the real camera footage to ensure the camera is well placed, and the depth view shows the distance between the sensor and the object detected. Now let's move on to the sensor preferences settings. The first setting to configure is distance calibration, which has two modes, automatic and manual. In automatic calibration, the system removes static elements in the background, preventing them from being detected as objects. To perform this process, make sure to clear the scene of any object so the system can correctly identify the background. Once the area is clear, press Configure to initiate the calibration. After calibration is complete, you can further refine the detection by adjusting the range removal setting. This lets you exclude a specific range starting from the floor to avoid detecting objects at ground level. And in manual calibration, you can set the minimum and maximum range of the sensor yourself, providing greater control for specialized setups. Next, you can set the resolution of the sensor, which affects the level of detail in the detection process. There are three options available. Choose 480 by 270 for basic tasks where efficiency is key, 640 by 360 for a balanced approach that works well in most scenarios, and 848 by 480 for high detail applications, such as detecting small or distant objects. For general use, we recommend 640 by 360, as it provides a good balance between performance and clarity. The laser strength setting adjusts the intensity of the sensor's laser, which directly impacts the accuracy of detection. Higher laser strength can help reduce noise in the data, making the sensor more reliable in challenging conditions, such as when dealing with reflective or textured surfaces. Adjust this setting based on your specific detection environment to achieve optimal results. The exposure settings determine how the cameras adapt to lighting conditions. In automatic exposure, the system adjusts exposure dynamically, ensuring consistent performance in varying light. In manual exposure, you can set the exposure value yourself for precise control, but it's important to note that higher exposure values may slow down detection. Be mindful of this when selecting a value to ensure your system remains responsive while meeting your detection needs. And finally, the object detection settings let you define the range of object sizes that the sensor will detect. Use the minimum size setting to filter out small, irrelevant objects and the maximum size to exclude oversized items that don't align with your application. These settings help the sensor focus only on objects of interest, improving accuracy and efficiency. And that's it. With these adjustments, your sensors are now optimized for your specific requirements. By carefully configuring these settings, you'll ensure accurate detection and efficient performance. Thank you for following along and have fun configuring.